Hello lovely people! Welcome to another graphic liner makeup tutorial with face mask. I'm gonna show you how I created this yellow and gray color of the year graphic liner eye makeup look. Let's start priming our skin with some L'Oreal Infallible Primer and spread that all over the face. I'm going straight to concealer from Catrice Cosmetics since we are doing a face mask makeup. Applying the concealer to my under eye towards my eyelid and buffing it with the beauty blender and the concealer brush or just your fingertips for smooth finish. First thing I did was curving my eyebrows, so when I'm applying the eye makeup, it would be easier for me to follow the line and curves of the eyes. Now I'm cleaning the edges for the excess concealer that I applied on my eyelid. Let's moisten up the lips with some lip gloss from Catrice Cosmetics, the Extreme Lip Booster. I really like this lip gloss so far, and I noticed that it adds or volumizes the size of my lips. And now it's time for eye makeup. I'm using Morphe X James Charles the Mini Palette. Here are the brushes for doing the eyeshadow. Let's pick up light yellow shade for our base and transition shade as well. I'm doing a tape technique here to achieve the clean outer V corner of the eye. I don't have with me a gray shade, so I'm combining the white and black shade to create a gray color, which I'm applying now. Starting the line from outer V corner using the angled brush. Now I'm doing the upper line, which I started from the edge, middle, and towards the inner corner of my lid. This is just how easy to create a line on the crease to make graphic liner. Using the white shade, I'm cleaning the edges, or you can also use the concealer to make it more cleaner finish. It's time for the yellow shade. I'm applying it inside to fill in the gray graphic line. Let's apply some black liner from Huda Beauty. And we are done with the yellow and gray graphic liner eye makeup, and time to put the face mask to finish our graphic liner makeup look. Hope you enjoy watching my yellow and gray graphic liner with face mask makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. See you in my next one. Bye!